Hello students, we are here with Sureshot questions series 2. So the first question today we have is the most favorite and highly probable question. Prove that 2 minus root 3 by 5 is an irrational number given root 3 is an irrational number. Clear? So till now we have practiced a lot. So first line will be what? Let us suppose. Some students write, let this be a rational number. No, we should not write that. We should write, let us suppose if possible. This line should completely come in your answer book. 2 minus root 3 by 5 is a rational number. This implies 2 minus root 3 by 5 is equal to, let's say, x. This implies 2 minus root 3 is equal to 5x. This implies 2 minus 5x is equal to root 3. Now, 2 is a rational number, 5 is a rational number, and x we have supposed that is a rational number. So, this complete 2 minus 5x is a rational number, but root 3 is irrational number. Hence, our assumption is wrong, and 2 minus root 3 by 5 is an irrational number. So this much has to be written if you want to get marks. If you deviate any of the steps, it will not be good. Okay? So here is our question number 2. We need to prove the identity. So as we proceed always, we'll proceed from LHS because more information is in this side, and we'll convert tan and cot in sin and cos. So sin theta by cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. So your next step will be, this is sin theta, this cos will get cancelled, and we will get cos theta minus sin theta plus cos theta upon and I think this will be minus in the question. So this is sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta minus cos theta. This is same thing, only minus is the difference. So what we will do, we will take minus as common. So this will become cos theta minus sin theta. Now we'll take the LCM. This is cos theta minus sin theta, and here we will get sin theta minus minus is plus. So this brings cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta minus sin theta, that is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay. So the only key to this question is you need to convert the tan and cot to cos and sin. So here is the question number 3 for us. If P, Q, R are in AP, we need to prove that P cube plus R cube minus 8Q cube is equal to minus 6PQR. Looks very complex, but let's stick with the basics. If P, Q, R are in AP, we know that Q minus P is equal to R minus Q. This implies we get 2Q is equal to P plus R. This is the equation that we get from the given condition. We can write as P plus R minus 2Q is equal to 0. So there are three terms. Just recall the formula. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, if A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then we had a result which said A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. So we have A equal to P, B is equal to R, and C equal to minus T cube. So A is P, B is R, and C is minus 2Q. So what we can do is P cube plus R cube plus minus 2Q cube is equal to 3A, B, and C. So we have put all the values. So what we get here is P cube plus R cube. 2 is 8 and minus will be remaining. Minus 8Q cube is equal to 3 to the 6 and minus. This is the equation that we were supposed to prove. So there is nothing to panic around after seeing the question. Just stick with the basics and remember all the identities that you need to prove. Okay. Let's take on the next question. If 2 and minus 3 are the zeros of x square plus a plus 1 x plus b equal to 0, find the value of a and b. So let's take the roots as alpha equal to 2, beta is equal to minus 3. We know that sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. So this implies 2 plus minus 3 is equal to minus, in place of b we have a plus 1 by 1. So this becomes minus 1 is equal to, this implies the value of a is 0. Again, alpha into beta equal to 2 into minus 3 is equal to c by a. We become b by 1. So minus 6 is equal to b. So the value of a is minus 6 and the value of a is 0. So we can write the solution set as clear. Let's proceed with the next question. We have been given the fourth term of an AP as 0, and we are supposed to prove that 25th term is equal to 3 times the 11th term. So let's take the first term as A, common difference as D, and Tn formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. So from here what we can get is T4, that is fourth term, A plus 4 minus 1 into D. This implies a plus 3d, and that has been given as 0. So what we can do is we will take the value of a as minus 3d. Now uh, let's find out t25. So a plus 25 minus 1 d, that is a plus 24 d, and we know the value of a is minus 3d plus 24d. So T25 comes as 21d. Now let's take the value of 3t times 11. 3a plus 11 minus 1 into d. So this is 3 into a plus 10d. 3a is minus 3d plus 10d. This is 3 into 7d, that is 21d. See the value. So what we get is t25 is equal to 3 times t11. Hence proved. Clear? So here is the question number 6 for today. Sum of two numbers is 18 and sum of the reciprocals is 9 by 40. Find the numbers. So let's take the numbers as sum of the two numbers is 18. It's very easy. Sum of the reciprocals, so 1 by x plus 1 by y is 9 upon 40. This implies x plus y by xy equal to 9 by 40. So what we are supposed to do is 40 times x plus y is equal to 9xy. So xy is equal to 40 into x plus y is 18 upon, so xy is equal to 80. Correct? So we'll take the value of, say, x is equal to 80 upon y and put it in equation 1. So 80 by y plus y is equal to 18. This will become 80 plus y square is equal to 18y. So we have got the final equation as y square minus 18y plus 80 is equal to 0. Now we'll do the midterm split. 10 8s are 80 and 10 and 8 is 18. So y square minus 10y minus 8y plus 80 is equal to 0. This implies y minus 10 and y minus 8 is equal to 0. So y is equal to either 10 or 8. This implies x will be, if it is 10, it is 8. If it is 8, it is 10. So we have got two solutions, 10, 8 or 8, 10. This is your solution. Okay. So let's come to the question number 7. If tan theta plus cot theta is 2, we need to find tan square plus cot square theta. So in trigonometry, we don't have a formula, but in algebra, we have solved several times. A plus b is given and we need to find a square plus b square. So what we used to do is, the given thing is tan theta plus cot theta is 2. What we will do is squaring both sides. So what we will get, tan theta plus cot theta whole square is 2 square. So this is tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 tan theta cot is equal to 4. So tan square theta plus cot square theta plus tan into cot is 1. So this will become as 2. So Finally, we got what we are supposed to find. So what is the value? 2 is the answer. It's clear? Next question is again from trigonometry. These all questions are competency based questions. So you need to practice more and more. Sin A minus B is 0. 2 cos A plus B minus 1 is 0. So what we will do is sin A minus B equal to sin 0. This implies A minus B becomes 0. So we get as A is equal to B. This is equation 1. Now, we have been given one more equation. 2 cos A plus B equal to 1. This implies cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. So cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2 is cos 60 degree. This implies A plus B is 60. Now we know that A is equal to B. So let's change B also into A. So 2A becomes 60 degree. This implies A is equal to 30 degree. Hence B is also equal to 30 degree. So this is our answer. Clear? So here comes question number 9. This is very important. Okay, let's start from LHS. It is sine 6x plus cos 6x. Let's rewrite it as sine square x cube plus cos square x cube. Now it is a cube plus b cube. What's the formula for a cube plus b cube? It's a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. So let's put this into that. So this is your a plus b, again a square plus b square minus so sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this gets vanished. So we'll be left with sine square x whole square cos square x whole square minus now again this is a square plus b square. What's the formula? We can write as a plus b whole square minus 2a b, and we already have sine square x cos square x with us. What formula we have used here? A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Just remember that. So sine square x plus cos square x is 1. 1 square is 1 minus 2 and 1. What we will get? This is equal to RH. Hence proved. Clear? So with this, we wind up for today. We'll come tomorrow again with some more Sureshot questions. Okay? Till then, stay tuned.